While preparing for your trip, you can't seem to find the best hotel booking application? With the benefits of being convenient, fast and cost-effective. Book a room with Hahalolo to comfortably enjoy your stay. You can completely book a hotel room without having a Hahalolo account. Tap the hotel menu to find a suitable hotel. Enter information including location, schedule, number of guests and rooms. Tap Advanced Search if you want to narrow down hotel search results. Enter all the information. Tap Search to display a list of hotels that meet your requirements. Tap the hotel you are looking for to view detailed information. Tap Book after finding out the desired hotel. Fill out the contact information in a complete and accurate way. Tap I'm the guest if you are a room user. If you book a room for someone else, fill out the guest information. Select payment methods. If the contact person and the payer are the same, tap Use Contacts Information. If you use other information for payment, fill out the payer information in a complete and accurate way. You can apply a coupon code if you have voucher. Turn on the Use Coins toggle switch to apply a direct discount redeemed from the available coins. If you have points in your account, you can turn on the Use Points toggle switch and enter the number of points to the extent available for direct redemption of the corresponding amount. Choose the payment methods that meets your requirements. Review booking details. Tap Pay to complete the booking process. Select the payment methods and fill out the payment card information correctly. Then tap Confirm to make a presentation. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email of the successful booking information. View order status. You can view your booking status by clicking the icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap Hand Notes. Tap the hotel menu. And then tap Details at the order you want to view information. Your booking details include the following information: order information, contact information, billing information, check-in information, total amount, payment status. Easy booking experience without worry with Hahalolo.